So you have your rooftop pool here. It's a nice size pool.
It's an L-shaped pool.
Yes. There's a bigger section on that side that we can take a look at.
Let's go.
So let's go. Do your own washing inside, you can.
Yeah,
there's actually a drying area outside.
So what's the total square footage? So we'll have the grand question everybody really wants to know.
Yes. What is
price?
that grand question? The price for this unit is...
Hey fam, welcome back to House Hunting with Rochielin. Thank you for being here on this Sunday afternoon. Welcome. Today I'll be showing alongside realtor Sandra Forbes a brand new listing. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, living, dining, kitchen here in Kingston on Fairway Avenue. If that's something that you're interested in, you're looking for something to buy, something brand spanking new, modern, all of that, then definitely keep on watching. Before we continue, remember to like, comment, share the video with your friends, share the video with someone who you know is in the market looking for something to purchase, and share the videos, all of them on my channel, if you know someone that's in the market looking for even something to rent or just want to learn about Jamaica and all of that. And remember to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright, so let's begin the tour. Thank you so much, Sandra, for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me again. Thank you very much.
The pleasure is mine. So talk to us about where exactly are we? Where are we standing now?
Today we're going to be looking at a brand new apartment complex. It has a combination of 1-bedrooms, 2-bedrooms and 3-bedroom units.
And we're currently in a 2-bedroom.
We're currently in a 2-bed unit. Most of them have been sold, but there are a few more. So today we want to showcase the Keasley.
And the address is?
1 Fairway Avenue off Old Hope Road.
Alright.
Okay, good. So let's start the tour. Do I have to do the let's go, let's go, let's go?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
This is my jig. So we're in the living and the dining area. Forgive the dust. It's new, so they're cleaning up right now.
Alright, so this is the living room.
The living room.
So we would put the couch where?
So you have, they give you different outlets. So let's say, right, so you have options of putting the TV where you want to put it.
Alright, so
right?
you know, I'm gonna set it up.
So I would be here.
You couch here.
Your nice sectional, right? You could put it here.
And put the
you can put the TV on the wall here, big space. It can hold your 60-inch TV on the wall. Remember now, to create more space on the ground, whatever can go on the wall, put it on the wall. Right?
Put like a nice floating shelf TV.
You could have a floating shelf TV in that corner. If you wanted to put like a big flower pot, or you could put an accent chair.
No,
right here.
Better yet, I would put a computer desk and chair.
Oh, you could, yes.
You know?
With this whole working from home, excellent.
I'd put the computer desk here and a chair here,
right.
Or here, and you know, and
or
then
here because you're looking out. There's a little greenery. There's a little patio.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I would probably look that way.
Okay.
But there's space to do what you want.
And you put the dining table about here.
You could put a little one here. Remember that the units aren't huge, so we have to downsize also. So you could put a 2-table dining here.
It's still big and grand.
It's enough.
Yeah.
Unlike most of us, we eat in the couch, so it's fine.
Okay.
So do you want us to go this way?
Let's go to the kitchen.
Let's go to the kitchen first. So this is your standard kitchen. It has different colors. This one is actually gray. It's a dark gray.
Okay.
Quartz countertop. It has the slow release cupboards, so it doesn't slam. So you have all the upper cupboards, bottom cupboards, space for your fridge and space for your stove.
So this is a standard size. So
that's a 30-inch. It's a standard size space. All the stoves are standard unless you're buying the 20-inch. So they usually cater for those who are putting in a 30-inch stove.
Gotcha. And then the double sink.
You have a double sink here.
And this looks like a nice
fancy faucet here. right? No water as yet, because we're live. Look at that. It's a water, double sink.
Okay.
Nice cupboard spaces, enough cupboard spaces for what you want.
And ventilation.
And ventilation. There is a window here.
Very important.
So that, yes, it's very important to have the ventilation.
And then the space over here for the fridge.
And space for your fridge.
Okay.
Right, slide it in and you're good to go. So this is your kitchen.
Pretty much. And you enter basically
from that side. So you come in, there's a little passage, the kitchen is on your right hand side.
Okay, got you.
Enter into your living, dining, and then when we take this corner, here is your laundry area. So if you notice, there is a tub.
Yeah.
So even though you have you can put a double stacker, it's probably even big enough for, double stacker, washer dryer. But you do get the sink because, you know, as Jamaicans, we like to pre-wash something. So you can pre-wash something.
So hold on, I'm a little confused.
Yes.
Isn't this supposed to be where the pipe is? Or this pipe is for the washing machine
connection? It's for the
connection?
washing machine connection.
Got you.
Yes.
Okay, and it's high enough to stack. So
you can put shelves to stack, right.
And you have the tub. Okay.
And you have the tub. So if you want to do your own washing inside, you can.
Yeah,
there's actually a drying area outside. So if you wanted to use the God's fresh air and sun, you can. It's outside. So
we're moving over now to the bedroom and the bathroom area.
That's right.
Cool.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Switch it on.
All right.
So this is one bathroom. Nice size.
This is the bathroom I'd use if I come over to your house and we just chit-chatting.
As a visitor, right. So it's a visitor's bathroom, and it also serves as a bathroom for one of the bedrooms.
Awesome. And wanna know me, I love getting in the shower. Talk to us about the shower.
It looks like it's slightly tinted, so we can't see you inside.
Of course you can.
No, we can't, right? So we're in the bathroom. It's glass. This is a trend that persons are moving towards, and you notice that there's no ridge right here.
I'm always so curious.
If the water comes out, no, because the drain is lower than here.
I'm always curious.
Technically, the water should flow into the drain.
Are you sure the water not going to come out?
You might have a few sprinkles, so you put your mat there. But this seamless shower is something that you're seeing quite a bit of now.
I have been seeing a lot of it.
And you notice the shower, a huge shower, rain shower.
To wash my hair,
wash your hair. Very nice. Yeah.
Wash my locks.
Do everything. And then your standard toilet sink, nice sink on the countertop. And there's a vent, because this bathroom doesn't have a window. So there's a vent that will carry the hot air out, so you won't get too hot inside the shower. And the unit does come with a water heater.
Got you.
Right?
That's important.
It comes with a water heater. So do you want us to go into this bedroom?
Yes.
Let's go into this one. This is the master. See it nice and bright.
A lot of ventilation. I love places with windows.
A lot of ventilation. And you notice what's on the window?
Mesh.
There's mesh.
Mosquito.
So it keeps out your mosquito. I don't know if lizards climb as high, but any insects, it'll keep the insects out.
Okay.
Right? So it's a good feature to have.
Yeah.
Then we go into...
I wonder why they didn't put the wall. I would have just opened up the whole thing.
Style and fashion. Can you notice it's
double.
Yeah. So I guess it's to give it a little dash. I don't think there's any real reason other than aesthetics.
I guess. Alright, so moving to the bathroom.
So this bathroom is attached to the master bedroom. Right? Looks pretty similar. It's only the tiles are different. So you kind of jazz it up a bit. But it's pretty much standard. But this bathroom...
The shower is bigger.
The shower looks bigger. Yes, you're right. The shower is bigger.
You know, I love to judge
it is
the size
bigger.
of
Yes,
shower.
I realize that. The shower is bigger.
It's wider for sure.
Yeah, it is for sure. So this bedroom has its own bathroom. So that's what makes it the master.
Importante.
And then you have lots of closet space here.
You know, a girl likes
You
a
can
lot of
see.
space.
And it's high. So for those of you who have, you know, like you want to put your suitcases or whatever, you can build a little shelf up the top and you use up as much storage as you can. So we have to go high instead of wide. But it's good space.
I'll definitely put some shelves and then some racks, some regular rails.
Right.
And then some shelf up top.
And you can put drawers too. Sometimes people do some built-in drawers so they don't need the chest of drawer anymore, which takes up space. You can put it in your closet now.
And then you close this off like
You
so.
close this off, and we're good to go.
I think if I purchase this, I would change the closet color.
You'd put it
I'd
in
make
white?
it in white. Just have the whole thing in white.
Yeah, it can be sprayed or painted. Yes, you can.
Yeah. All right, so we'll move into the next bedroom.
And we'll go into the other bedroom. Oh,
this one. All right.
All right, so this is the other bedroom. So, good size space, 2 huge windows. It lets in light, lets in ventilation. This window runs along the passage. So you probably put something heavy here, or you know, just to keep out the eyes.
Yeah, because your
neighbors are right there. But it is a lot of light. Here you have your closet again. It's actually one closet, but they give you 2 doors, right? So it extends all the way down. So you can play hide and seek, right? So again, you can create shelves up the top if you want to. But it's long enough and it's high enough. So remember, use up all the space you can.
And this bedroom doesn't have its own bathroom?
No. So this bedroom would use this bathroom as well as when you come to visit, you would use that bathroom.
So what's the total square footage?
The square footage is of 1,100 square feet for this unit. There are different sizes on the complex, but this one is 1,100 square feet.
Okay. So we'll have the grand question everybody really wants to know.
Yes. What is
price?
that grand question? The price for this unit is 32.5 million.
32.5 million Jamaican dollars.
Jamaican dollars.
Do you have the US dollar equivalent for that?
Well, what's the rate today?
$146.
146? No, I'd have to use my calculator.
Okay, so we're gonna work with the Jamaican.
But we could work
figure.
with the Jamaican.
And tell them again the Jamaican figure.
It's 32.5 million for this unit.
Okay, for the 2 bedroom. The 3 bedrooms are how much?
The 3 bedrooms start at around 42 and go up because they're different sizes.
Are there any 1 bedrooms?
All 1 bedrooms are finished.
Okay.
All studios are finished. So the 2 bed, he has a couple 2 bedrooms left.
Gotcha.
Right.
What amenities are on property? What can persons expect
when they come in? Well, when you came through the gate, you'll have a security person there who will let you in.
So
you
security.
also have this swipe card that will, you know, not the swipe where you press and it'll open the gate. The automatic opener,
gate key?
the gate key, thank you, will allow you in. There are also going to be cameras on the outside. They've secured the walls too, so people can't just jump over the wall. Right, there are some spikes on the walls. If the person wants to put in grill, they can do that too. If they want to grill their unit, they can do that too. When we entered the building, you have to have a passcode to punch in to get onto the building, any at all.
Gotcha.
So there are different levels of security. There's also electronic locks on the door where you punch in your code, or I'm not sure if these use your fingerprint, but you have to use something
to get in.
All
right, so is there a pool?
Yes, I want to take it to the amenities. The amenities are on the top. The fun amenities are on the fun part.
All right, so let's go. Enough talking.
Let's take a look at what's on the roof.
Let's go. All right. So we're going upstairs and we're waiting for the elevator. And that's important, you know. Some of us that don't want to use the stairs.
That's right, we can use the elevator.
We have the option.
All right, so this is the rooftop now. Right, so we're now on the top of the roof, right? And up here, there's a pool that we're gonna look at. There are the views.
Yeah,
There's
I
a play
like this
area
green
here.
area.
Have to manage your kids here.
And let's talk about the view.
Let's
Look at the view.
You can see the entire Kingston. You can see the sea,
Yes. I like
the
having
hills.
a green area. So your kids, if you're here with your family,
Yes.
you know, you guys can come on the top of the roof and really just enjoy the view of the city.
Yes, and you can see the mountains and everything. You can see everything from here.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
Let's
And there's a
walk
little
around.
section around the corner here. If you're keeping a little birthday party, you can have it out here.
Okay, so for those of us that like to entertain, like myself,
Yes.
you know, want to have our friends over, COVID protocols observed, of course. You know, you have your little gathering,
Yes,
6
you
feet
could do it.
apart, a little table.
Right.
It's not that big.
No,
I'd love
but,
for it to be bigger, but it's doable.
There's a bigger section on that side that we can take a look at.
Let's
So
go.
let's go. We can probably take a look at the pool. So a lot of complexes now, because space is an issue, they put the pool on top of the roof, right? Is this gate open? We can...
If you're not open, we just jump the fence. You know, not going. You know,
just jump the
not
fence.
we're bad people.
So you have your rooftop pool here. It's a nice size
It's
pool.
an L-shaped pool.
Yes. Isn't it inviting?
It is.
It is
quite
inviting.
inviting. My
So
nice.
it's a nice shape, yeah, L shape, and it says the Keesley on the bottom of the pool. That's the name of the complex. Let's look at another entertainment spot.
Okay.
This is like an office, a maintenance, the way the people who are managing the complex. So there's an office here, office space here
Okay.
that they can
And
occupy.
bathroom.
Bathroom,
This part is bathroom.
your office space.
Office.
So remember, it's not yet set up, but this will be where you come and you pay your maintenance and any issues, stuff like that. So your this is your maintenance office
Gotcha.
on top. And then if you want to entertain, maybe this could be the adult side. So here is another space.
It's another entertainment space.
So you could probably do barbecues outside here.
Yeah.
You know, more the adulty
Yeah.
outdoor
It does look more
on
adult-like.
stuff, right? So it's another space here.
All right, guys. I think
See?
I'm gonna buy this unit and I invite you guys over. How my sound?
You're sounding good.
Sounding great, huh?
You're sounding good. So
And then there's seating over there, which is
up more, you can another part of Kingston you can see from here. You can see downtown. I'm seeing the buildings downtown. Beautiful.
It is indeed. I like the fact that they have these spaces.
Yeah.
You know? So you don't have to be locked in the
Into
house
your
all the
apartment.
time.
No, you can come out without coming out.
Yeah, pretty much. And then you still get to see the rest of Kingston. You get to see the mountains. You get to see downtown. And
Yes.
we're pretty close enough to the stadium. Maybe we can see
Yes.
some football matches.
2 minutes.
That's going on over there. You know, when champs time.
Oh yes,
People
you can
go on the
probably stay
rooftop.
here and
Yeah.
or even fireworks. So we have fireworks downtown.
Fireworks, yeah. So let's go back downstairs now.
So let's go back downstairs and we can look on the outside.
And show us parking.
Parking.
All right.
So we're now on the basement level.
Underground parking.
Right, so you have underground parking here. So there's space for everybody up under here, and he's gonna have some additional spaces on top
For visitors?
for visitors.
Because my visitors need space now.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
So you will have additional parking for visitors. And if you notice, we're going towards the front gate. There's a generator on top. So that generator will chip in
When light gone.
When light gone.
All right.
But it's only for the common area, so you won't get it inside your unit. But it will light up the common area.
Gotcha.
Nice wide space. Additional parking.
So this is the outside of the building.
Right, the Keasley. So this is the outside of the building.
Okay. So that's good. And I see some landscaping going on.
Yes, they do, around the sides and that sort of thing, to kind of give the place a little lift. Okay, so over on this side, if you notice some huge tanks. So what that really is backup water.
And that's important to know, because Kingston will ever out of water.
Right.
Jesus.
So it's important that we do have the backup water here for the complex. So the huge 3,500 gallon water tank, so it should be sufficient to run the complex itself. It's even for a couple of days. It's important. So
for sure. So this is basically the entire place.
This is it. This is the Keasley.
All right, so we've pretty much seen everything, and thank you so much, Sandra, for showing us. This property, as you see, is ideal for somebody that's looking for somewhere to either live themselves or for an investment purpose. Would you say?
Yes, very much so. It's family oriented, and you have up here to cater to that. Location also is near to the major Ligony downtown, New Kingston, UE up the top. So schools, everything is within the area. But if you're looking for investment property, this is a good area too. If you wanted to do short-term, long-term rental, you can pretty much demand a decent rent in this area. And when Airbnb comes back, because you know it's coming back, here would be ideal for that sort of thing. So
yeah, it is pretty central. It is somewhere that I think a lot of persons would love, especially for short-term, love to be.
Yeah, short-term rental.
In this kind of
you
area,
could be here.
You're so close to everything.
And being working from home.
Yeah.
You know, midday you can come up and take a swim in the pool, you know what I mean? So
of course,
there are different things you can do.
Of course, of course, of course. Well guys, there you have it. If you are interested in this property, you know what to do. Sandra's details will be found in the description bar below, so please contact her, whether by calling her or emailing her. She will provide you with the information that you need to move forward with this sale.
Yes.
Do not contact me regarding the sale of this or any property. I'm merely only here for promotion. I leave it to the realtors to do what they do, and I do what I do. So definitely reach out to her, contact her, and you guys take it from there. Cool?
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. And let me just add that if you are a developer, a realtor, a landlord, an owner, or anything, and you are interested in promoting your property on the rochielin channel, definitely reach out to me at rochielin.business@gmail.com, and we can talk further and we'll let it happen. Thank you so much, Sandra.
Thank you too, Ashlyn. Thank you. Thank you very much for having me.
Much appreciated. And I'm very happy to show this to the world.
Yes, and I'm happy that the world is getting to see this. And we have other properties. So if not this one, there are others.
Definitely. Just reach out to her. She'll know how to set you up. She's, as you can see, people person, very friendly, very bubbly, and all of that. Love working with her. So reach out to her if you are interested. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.